What's up, guys? Roger here. Just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with the UWM Quicken Battle Royale. The saga continues. So anyone who doesn't know, Quicken CEO Mat Ishbias comes out and says, you have to choose. You have to choose. You're either going to work with UWM or you're going to work with Quicken. And if you work with us simultaneously, we're going to fine you $50,000. So a lot of you guys already know what's going on. So I'm just going to let you guys give you an update on what's developed since that announcement. So UWM came out first. Quicken responded with, talking about, hey, we'll never do that. We want to give our brokers freedom. So we'll never make you guys choose, which, obviously is appreciated. So here are the claims that UWM is making, and I want to get your guys' feedback on this, whether you're a loan officer or a realtor. Please leave a comment below. So the first claim that UWM makes is Quicken has started a program to get realtors to get their loan license and work with Quicken directly, cutting out the broker. So Quicken, according to UWM, Quicken is stealing your realtors. And they're going to get those realtors to get their mortgage license and give them a kickback on every loan that they do directly with Quicken, again, cutting out the broker. Quicken's response is, hey, we have 90 people in this program. The VP or president, Austin Niemiec, I apologize, Austin, I don't know your exact title, but one of the top guys at Quicken say, we have 90 people in this program. And to be totally honest, I don't know a realtor who wants to do the loan as well. I don't think realtors want to be a part of the loan process like that. They don't, real estate agents, especially any successful, good real estate agent, doesn't have time to be neck deep in the loan process. So what do you guys think? Are you a realtor? Would you ever consider getting your mortgage license and sending a loan directly to Quicken? My stance is I find that very, very hard to believe. I find it really hard to believe that a realtor wants to, get their mortgage license and essentially handle the loan as well. I don't see that. So that's not something I'm concerned about. I don't think Quicken is going to steal my realtor partner, get them to get licensed, and then it's just asking way too much for the realtor. I just don't think it's legit. I don't think it's something that realtors even want to do. And if I was Quicken, I would just scrap that program altogether, or maybe retain the realtors that you have, but don't take on any new ones, because if you have 90 realtors, I don't know how many realtors there are in America, probably over 1 million, probably several million. Those 90 realtors, the business that they're bringing in on the loan side, probably it isn't worth the backlash that you're getting and from the broker community. Yeah, honestly, I don't think there's a huge backlash, but that's what UWM is using as a basis to say, hey, Quicken's trying to steal your business. Excuse me, I had to switch hands. So that's their first claim. Quicken is trying to steal your realtors and cut you out. I find that kind of hard to believe. Like I said, I don't think any realtors want to do that. Claim number 2, the second and the largest claim UWM has on this, on why Quicken is so evil and terrible and kind of spreading this rhetoric, is Quicken's long-term play is to essentially take all of the loans that brokers have closed and then solicit those borrowers to work with Quicken directly. So essentially, I'm bringing in the business to Quicken. In the long run, Quicken's going to cut me out and take my client's business directly. So here's my opinion on that. So I started originating loans about 3 years ago. So, been in the business for 10, 12 years, but really started full-time originating maybe 3, 4 years ago. In that time, I've not had a single client say that they've gotten a letter, a phone call, an email directly from Quicken soliciting their business. So for me personally, I mean, maybe things happened in the past 5, 10 years ago where Quicken maybe did that. Never happened to me. Never happened to any of the loan officers that work for me during that time. And in addition to that, actually my loan processor got his loan through Quicken, through the wholesale channel, through the broker channel. He has not once been solicited to refinance directly with Quicken. So my feeling is this may be some stuff from the past that people are holding on to. And I personally have not seen it happen to my clients. So here's Austin Niemiec's response to that claim. Austin says, we have had, I think the number was either 25 or 50,000 clients that came in through the broker channel, through the wholesale channel. And if there's ever if a client is ever a broker client calls Quicken directly, apparently according to Austin, over the years, the last couple of years, they've automatically will defer the client to the broker. So essentially, if the broker and the retail channel are competing for a client's business, automatically Quicken is going to send that loan to the broker automatically, according to Austin. And here's why I believe that, because Austin showed us some charts. Okay, Quicken's broker business, wholesale business, is growing at an incredible pace and past UWM. They passed UWM, especially during the pandemic. They passed UWM and how much business they're getting from brokers. So now, if you're a business owner and you think logically, right? So if you have this new stream of income coming in, new stream of business coming in from the broker channel, and you're Quicken, right? You're not stupid, right? Are you going to screw your brokers over who are bringing you in all this new business, pushing you to the number one spot in the charts as far as wholesale loans being generated? Are you gonna bite the hand that feeds you and screw over your broker community? That's UWM's claim. And everyone else that's anti-Quicken, their claim is that they're going to stab you in the back and then take your client. I mean, if you just think about it very logically, if you're a business owner, why would you do that? Why would you bite the hand that feeds you? Obviously, if Quicken is stealing broker clients, we're never going to work with them again. It's very simple. All of that market share that they have accumulated over the last couple of years through the broker channel would be for nothing. It'll go to waste and it'll completely dip. The brokers will leave. They won't send any more loans to Quicken, and that'll be the end of the story. That doesn't make any sense. Why would they do that? It just logically doesn't make sense why you would screw over the broker community. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that's really something that Quicken would do? For me, it doesn't make a lot of sense. It just really doesn't. And that's my stance on it. We have a few more days to make this decision with my guys. We're leaning Quicken, definitely, because it just really feels like this ultimatum that's been placed by Mat Ishbias of UWM seems more personal than anything. The other claim UWM makes is UWM doesn't want to have the brokers using all of their tools that they've spent so much money and resources on, and then the broker sending that business to Quicken, right? Again, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me, because why now? This has been going on for years, so why now? How come now all of a sudden? If that was happening, then it was probably happening 6 months ago, it was probably happening a year ago. Why now make the brokers choose? I've had several conversations with account executives at Quicken and UWM. And UWM has stated, the account executives that I've worked with are very professional. They're like, hey, even if you choose Quicken, if something were to happen and you change your mind in the future, we'll welcome you back with open arms. Now, hearing something like that, I like hearing that. That's good business right there. But where we're at now with the developments, I don't think UWM is coming from a place of, this decision is not really in the broker's best interest. If UWM has, personal issues with Quicken and whatever the case, I don't want to be a part of it, and I don't want to give up my freedom. At the end of the day, that's what it is. And UWM doesn't seem to be backing off this stance, and Matt does not seem to be backing off this stance, which I was kind of hoping he would, and realize this is kind of crazy. But that hasn't happened. The ultimatum's still on the table. They're making us choose. We're leaning Quicken, but stay tuned. I'll make a video once we make our final decision, and go from there. Well, thank you guys again so much. See you guys next time.